Hello students, welcome to your favorite channel English Learning Assam. Today I start the very important report writing for your upcoming HS final examination. মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'ত মই তোমালোকৰ অহা HS ফাইনেল এক্সামিনেশ্যন 2025 প্ৰস্তুতি হকে 6টা ভেৰি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট ৰিপোৰ্ট ৰাইটিং আলোচনা কৰিম। এই 6টা ৰিপোৰ্ট ৰাইটিং তোমালোকৰ পৰীক্ষাত খুবেই দৰকাৰী বুলি ভাবি মই তোমালোকৰ আগত একেলগে আপলোড কৰিছোঁ। বলাচোন মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, এই 6টা ৰিপোৰ্ট নো কি আৰু সেইখিনি সমাধান কেনেকৈ কৰিব পাৰো তাৰ বিষয়ে জানিবলৈ প্ৰয়াস কৰোঁ। প্ৰথমতে কোৱেশ্চন নম্বৰ 1 টো চোৱা। ইউ এটেণ্ডেড the Edu Fair 2011 organized by the Assam Tribune Private Limited in Guwahati, in which some top colleges and universities of India participated and gave information about their undergraduate and postgraduate programs. Write a detailed account of the fair in 100 to 125 words. You are Parvin or Provin. 2012 প্ৰশ্নটি আহিছিল। ইয়াতে ইডু ফেয়াৰৰ ওপৰত এটা ৰিপোৰ্ট লিখিব দিছে। ধৰা তুমি আসাম ট্ৰিবিউনে পতা যে এটা ইডু ফেয়াৰৰ তুমি অংশগ্ৰহণ কৰিছা, য'ত নেকি ভাৰতবৰ্ষৰ বিভিন্ন আগশাৰীৰ ইউনিভাৰ্চিটিবিলাকে কলেজ আৰু ইউনিভাৰ্চিটি তাতে অংশগ্ৰহণ কৰিছে আৰু সিহঁতৰ আণ্ডাৰ গ্ৰেজুৱেট আৰু পোষ্ট গ্ৰেজুৱেটৰ প্ৰগ্ৰামখিনি তাতে দাঙি ধৰিছে। সেই বিষয়লৈ তুমি কি কৰা, 100 to 125ৰ ভিতৰত ৱাৰ্ডৰ ভিতৰত এটি ৰিপোৰ্ট লিখিব লাগে। আনচাৰটো লৈ আহা। তোমালোকক মই আগতেই কৈছোঁ, এট ফাৰ্ষ্ট ইউ ৰাইট দ্য টাইটেল অফ দি ৰিপোৰ্ট। ইয়াতে টাইটেলটো হ'ব ইডু ফেয়াৰ 2011। হয়তো তোমালোকৰ এইবাৰ দিলে আহিব 2025 বাই পাৰভিন এ ফ্ৰেছ ৰিপৰ্টাৰ দ্য আসাম ট্ৰিবিউন। তোমালোকৰ নিচিনাকৈ আগতে কোৱাৰ নিচিনাকৈ তোমালোকে এট ফাৰ্ষ্ট ইউ ৰাইট দ্য টাইটেল অৰ হেডিং অফ দ্য ৰিপৰ্ট, দেন ইউ ৰাইট দ্য নেম অফ দি ৰিপৰ্টাৰ এণ্ড এজেঞ্চি। ইয়াতে ৰিপৰ্টাৰৰ নাম হ'ল বাই পাৰভিন আৰু ফ্ৰেছ ৰিপৰ্টাৰ এজেঞ্চিৰ নাম হ'ল দ্য আসাম ট্ৰিবিউন। তাৰপিছত নেক্সট তোমালোকে লিখিব লাগে কি, ডেট এণ্ড প্লেচ। ইয়াতে প্লেচ গুৱাহাটী 23 জানুৱাৰী 2025 বুলি দিবা, বা এইটো 11 দিছে গতিকে 11 দিলেও হ'ব। দ্য ইডু ফেয়াৰ 2011 ৱাজ অৰ্গেনাইজড বাই দি আসাম ট্ৰিবিউন Private Limited at Assam Engineering Institute Playground, Chandmari, Guwahati on 20th January 2011. I started for the fair at 9:30 a.m. It took 30 minutes to reach there. I was stunned to watch this event. It was really a spectacle to watch. The fair was inaugurated by the Vice Chancellor of Guwahati University. There was a huge crowd of people. Many top colleges and universities of India participated the fair. Many famous writers, educationists, academicians, career consultants, and publishers also graced the occasion. It was an interactive session where students of different institutions gave information about their undergraduate and postgraduate programs. The students were given enough time to interact with the experts to get the replies to their queries. The organizers of the fair were happy to see the response and decided to organize it every attentive years. It was truly a memorable fair. So তোমালোকে এইটো আসলে কি রিপোর্টটো এইটো তোমালোকে এনেকৈ লিখিবা. Now come to question number 2. Question number 2 দিয়া হৈছে যে you are eyewitness to a road accident in which a school going boy was killed and many passengers were injured. As a press reporter of the Assam Tribune write a report about the accident in 100-125 words. You are Aisha or Sanjay. ইয়াতে 2012 এইটো আহিছিল ৰোড এক্সিডেণ্ট. তোমালোকক কৈছিলোঁ ৰোড এক্সিডেণ্ট ক্লেইমছ 1. ইয়াতে কেইবাবাৰো কোৱা হৈছে, মই গতিকে এইটো মাতি নাযাওঁ, তোমালোকে চাই যোৱা. বহুতবাৰ মোৰ চেনেলত আলোচনা কৰা হৈছে, তোমালোকে জাষ্ট চাই যোৱা. মই স্ক্ৰীনশ্বটৰ সুবিধা কৰি দিছোঁ. Okay. Now come to another report. ইয়াতে দিছে যে বৃক্ষ report writing on Amrit Briksho Andolon. Your school has recently celebrated Amrit Briksho Andolon for a week to create awareness on the ecological balance. As an secretary of the Eco Club of your school, to be published in your school magazine. You are নীলিমা. তার মানে বৃক্ষরোপণের উপরত দিছে এইটো দেখা রিপোর্টটো দেখা. অমৃত বৃক্ষ আন্দোলন বাই নীলম, দ্য সেক্রেটারি, ইকো ক্লাব, ক্লাস X স্কুল, Guwahati, 25 June. The Amrit Briksho Andolon 2023 was celebrated by our X school from 15 June to 21 June 2023 for a week to create awareness on the ecological balance of our earth. The Amrit Briksho Andolon 2023 was begun on June 8, 23 by Honorable CM of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, with the great of plantation 1 billion seedling and 1 crore saplings, promoting a green revolution in the state. The Amrit Briksho Andolon program was inaugurated by the Honorable Principal Sir of our school on 15th June 2023 by planting a sapling. The President of SMDC of our school and other members were also planted saplings. Our respected Sir and Madam were also shared their hands to this noble work. This program was lasted for a week up to 21st June 2023. In the last, an awareness meeting was held by the Honorable Principal at our school auditorium hall with the eco club of our school, where all the students and teachers and other local people attended. The principal sir was given a valuable speech about our ecological system and importance of green environment. In the end, the Amrit Vriksha Andolan is a promising step towards a greener future in Assam. So, এইখিনি আসলে কি অমৃত বৃক্ষ আন্দোলনের ওপৰত তোমালোকৰ ৰিপৰ্ট। আৰু এটা তোমালোকে চোৱা ইয়াতে দি আছে, your state government had banned the use of plastic bags. You are Ranjita, a reporter of the Assam Tribune. Write a report in 100-125 words on how the ban is being ignored and what damage the indiscriminate use of plastic bags is causing to the environment. 2022 আহিছিল দেখা, এইটো তোমালোকৰ চোৱা টাইটেলটো তোমালোকে দিয়ে, দ্য বেন on the use of plastic bag in Assam by Ranjit, staff reporter, the Assam Tribune, Guwahati, 5th February. After considering the adverse effects of plastic bags on the environment and health, the government of Assam felt that its uses is having a harmful effect on the environment and human health. With this in the background, the Environment and Forest Department of Assam issued a notification dated 30th September 2019 imposing a complete ban on the use of plastic bags. But unfortunately, there are now being widely used again everywhere. People are discarding them in the drains about the fact that they will block the flow of drained water. Polybags are also a threat to our environment. They cause pollution, kill wildlife, and are responsible for using up the natural resources of the earth. They are one of the main factors that litter the landscape. If burnt, they will infuse the surrounding air with toxic fumes. The main problem of the plastic bag is that they are non-biodegradable. The decomposition of plastic takes around 1,000 years, while the government works out ways to lessen the impacting of polybags on the environment. Each one of us too should shoulder some responsibility for this problem that ultimately harm us all. So এটা আসলে ব্যান অফ প্লাষ্টিকৰ ৰিপৰ্ট দেখা। তাৰপিছত দিছে আৰু এটা তোমালোকক দিছোঁ, a blood donation camp was organized last month in your school under the aegis of an NGO named Life and Let Life. As an editor of your school magazine, write a report in 100 to 125 words on the widely acclaimed activity. দেখা ইয়াতে দিয়া হয়েছে এ ব্লাড ডোনেশন ক্যাম্প বাই এক্স অ্যান্ড editor of Y School to be published in the school magazine. তাৰপিছত গুৱাহাটী 13th February 2025. The answer to a blood donation camp was organized 2 days ago in our YHS school under aegis of an NGO named Life and Let Life, and a medical team constituting of 4 top-class doctors and 10 medical students. The program started at 8:30 a.m. in the morning at our school auditorium. The principal of our school started this program by donating his blood first. After that, teachers and students, especially the healthy youth of our school, participate in the program by donating blood in a very positive way. Even some students from other school participate in the program by donating blood. I donated my blood at 10:30 a.m. In the middle of the program, around 11 a.m., a doctor also gave a speech on the benefits of blood donation. The blood donation process of all the students and people was done by the medical team. The program lasted till 4 p.m. in the afternoon. Ex editor of school magazine YHS School. You are Imran or Rita of Sunrise Academy. Sunrise Academy Guwahati. Recently, your school celebrated the Khel Moharan 2024. Giving detail of the celebration, write a report in about 100 to 125 words for publishing in a local English daily. দেখা মই খেল মহাৰণৰ ওপৰতো ভিডিঅ'টো বনাইছোঁ, তথাপি মই তোমালোকক লাষ্ট এইবছৰৰ কাৰণে এইটো দি দিছোঁ, মই মাতি নাযাওঁ। ইতিমধ্যে তোমালোকৰ সেকেন্ড ইয়াৰ আৰু ফাৰ্ষ্ট ইয়াৰ দুটাৰ কাৰণে কিন্তু এই ভিডিঅ'টো খুবেই প্ৰয়োজন। দেখা ইয়াতে টাইটেলটো দিয়া দ্য খেল মহাৰণ 2024 এট ছানৰাইজ একাডেমি গুৱাহাটী বাই ৰীতা, এ প্ৰেছ ৰিপৰ্টাৰ দ্য আছাম ট্ৰিবিউন গুৱাহাটী 2nd December 2024। দেখা ইয়াতে আছে, তোমালোকে ইয়াতে দিয়া হৈছে ইন 2024 আৱাৰ স্কুল ছানৰাইজ একাডেমি Guwahati proudly hosted the Khel Moharan 2024, Assam's biggest sporting event. The campus of our school playground decorated with coloring papers as athletes from many schools under our Gaon Panchayat gathered to compete in various disciplines. Organized by precision, the event showcased the talent and spirit of our nearby schools youths. Spectators cheered on their favorites, fostering a sense of unity and sportsmanship. With state-of-the-art facilities and enthusiastic participation, the Khel Moharan 2024 exemplified the power of sport and unite communities and inspire excellence. From the Khel Moharan, we have benefited in all aspects of sports. So তাৰপিছত তোমালোকে লিখিব লাগিব কোনে লিখিছে, ডিস্ট্ৰিবিউটাৰ এইটো কথা, সিগনেচাৰটো একচুৱেলি দিব লাগে। So my dear students, এইখিনি আছিলে 6টা very important report writing for HS first year and second year examination. আশা কৰিছোঁ তোমালোকৰ এই 6টা ৰিপৰ্ট ৰাইটিঙে তোমালোকৰ অহা পৰীক্ষাসমূহত সহায় কৰিব। সদশেষত তোমালোক ঘৰত ভালদৰে পঢ়া শুনা কৰা এই কামনাৰে আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ' ইয়াতে সমাপ্ত কৰিছোঁ। থেংক ইউ।